President Donald Trump landed in Palm Beach, Florida, on Friday, where he will spend the Christmas holiday with his family at their luxury Mar-a-Lago resort. Asuna et de planède. And looked down, Trump was stunned to see the incredible Christmas gift waiting for him on the tarmac below. President Donald Trump de plane in Palm Beach, Florida, on Friday, December 22, 2017. Photo credit, screen capture, Fox News, Facebook. President Trump seemingly set out to prove how much one man can humanly accomplish in the weeks before the Christmas holiday. Most notably, he threatened US ties with Israel by announcing his decision to move our embassy there to Jerusalem, effectively recognizing the Holy City as a Jewish state's capital, and dead on his campaign promise to reform the tax code. Indeed, just before departing from the White House on Friday, Trump signed the GOP new tax bill into law, essentially giving Americans the gift of more money in their pockets. I signed this today rather than having a big formal ceremony in 2 weeks when we were going to do it. I didn't want you folk to say I wasn't keeping my promise. I'm keeping my promise, Trump said Friday, I'm signing it before Christmas. He said the bill would be on my desk before Christmas, and you are holding me literally to that. We did a rush job today. It's not fancy, but it's the Oval Office. President Donald Trump signed the Republican tax cut bill Friday morning before leaving for his Christmas break in Florida. He also signed the continuing resolution that will keep the government open through January 19. That includes $4 billion for missile defense. The House and Senate passed the tax measure into law earlier this week, during Trump's first major legislative victory of his first year in office. Trump touted the tax measure as a bill that achieves something for everyone. Source: CNN. Considering all that the president has accomplished in recent weeks, it's no wonder that when he landed in Palm Beach, Florida, on Friday, there was an incredible Christmas gift awaiting him on the tarmac. Strong of his supporters had come out to greet him. Many were waving homemade signs bearing messages like "I support press Trump bigly" and "Merry Christmas." President Donald J. Trump arrived at Palm Beach, Florida. Posted by Fox News on Friday, December 22, 2017. The men and women braved the holiday traffic to come out and greet Trump just 3 days before Christmas, when they undoubtedly had a million other things to do, which served to plainly demonstrate just how loyal the president's vote base is. Indeed, he seemingly has even more support now, after 1 year in office, than he did when he was campaigning. That's nearly unheard of. The throng of supporters who showed up to greet Trump on Friday were truly the best the Christmas gift the president could ask for. He has been working tirelessly to deliver on the promise he made to the American people, and their enthusiastic support is enough to let him know that the last 11 months have been a job well done. President Trump arrived in Palm Beach at 1h35 Friday to celebrate the holidays with his family at Mar-a-Lago. This is the president's ninth visit to Palm Beach since his inauguration in January. For years, the Trump family has celebrated holidays at Mar-a-Lago. Last year, then-President-elect Trump celebrated Thanksgiving, Christmas and New Year's at Mar-a-Lago. However, this year's visits will be much shorter. Trump is scheduled to return to Washington on New Year's Day. Source: Palm Beach Post. Fox News has thus far been the only mainstream media outlet to report on the throng of supporters who came out to greet Trump on Friday with their homemade sign. The fact that the rest of the press has virtually ignored the story is really no surprise, though. If ainsi d'info which makes the president look good, you can be sure that fake news networks like MSNBC and CNN will spend little to no airtime on it. It makes perfect sense that the media wouldn't want the public To see this footage of Trump's supporter coming out in drove to greet him in Florida. After all, they do not want him to get elected again in 2020, comme hell or high water. In their quest to undermine him, they are working overtime to convince Americans that his support is dismal. But, clearly, that isn't true. You can see how much with your own eyes in the above video. The media flat out refuse to report stories like this one, because the press in this country has become little more than a propaganda machine for the Democratic Party. Please help us get the word out by sharing this article and others like it. If you support President Donald Trump, spread this news everywhere. Share the story and leave a comment by clicking one of the buttons below. Follow us on Facebook at Mad World News.